Editing photos like a pro is all about mastering the tools at your fingertips. In Photoshop, start with layers. They're your best friend. Use adjustment layers to tweak brightness, contrast, and color without ruining the original image. Don't forget about the power of masks. These let you apply changes selectively, giving you total control. In Lightroom, embrace the sliders. The clarity and texture sliders can add depth to your images, while the HSL panel allows you to fine-tune individual colors. And remember, presets can save you time. Create your own for a consistent look across your portfolio. For mobile apps, Snapseed is a game changer. Use the selective tool to enhance specific areas and the healing brush to remove distractions. VSCO offers stunning filters that can elevate your photos with just one tap. Experiment, have fun, and don't be afraid to push boundaries. The more you edit, the more you'll discover your unique style. Happy editing!